To change the country on your Google Play Store, start by opening the Google Play Store app. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Tap on that icon. A menu will appear with several options. From there, choose the one that says Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where you manage your payment methods linked to your Google account. Inside this section, tap on Payment Methods. You will now see a list of any credit or debit cards or other payment options you've added. Scroll all the way down until you find a link called More Payment Settings. Tap on that. This will take you out of the app and into your phone's web browser. You'll be redirected to the Google Payments Center website, which is linked to your Google account. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you use on the Play Store. Once the page loads, look at the top left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. Tap on those lines to open a side menu. From this menu, select Settings. Now you will see information about your current payment profile. Look for the section that shows your country or region. There will be an option to create a new payment profile if you want to change your country. Tap on that option. A message will appear explaining that this action will switch your country. Tap Continue to move forward. Now you'll see a list of countries. Choose the one you want to switch to. This is the country where you now live, or the one whose Play Store content you want to access. After selecting the country, tap Continue again. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your address details for the new country. This includes your street name, city, and postal code. Fill in this information carefully so it matches the new country you're switching to. When you're done, scroll down and tap Submit. This will create your new payment profile for that country. After submitting, your Play Store country will be changed. It might take a few minutes for the change to reflect in the app. That's the full process for changing your country on the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching.